Very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss about the basic introductory part of IPR, or my topic is Introduction to IPR. So myself Subhankar Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Technology, Health and Staff Technology. So first, what is IPR? So IPR basically intellectual property right. So now, what is the meaning of property? So property basically is anything that is own, that is my own or own things. Okay. So now intellectual property is the product of human intellect, including creativity concept, inventions, industrial models, trademarks, songs, literature, symbols, brand, etc. Okay, so it includes the different characteristics or functions. First one, that is the allow their owner to completely benefit from his or her product, and also to prevent others from using, dealing, or tampering with his or her products, and also he or she can in fact legally appeal them and force them to stop and compensate for any damage. So if any damage to your invention or your product, you can appeal legally for any kind of compensate. Okay, so next, the property. So what is property, and what are the different types of property? So property basically is anything that is owned by a person. Okay, and there are two different types of property we know. Basically there are real property and personal property, and also this real property is anything that is related to land or permanently attached to the land, including homes, garage and buildings. And also the personal property, you have different types of personal property. It is something that is you can pick up or move around, and also this includes the any kind of automobiles, any kind of furniture, any kind of jewelry items. So these are the two main different types of property. Now this property is basically is the tangible property, that is movable, and another is immovable, that is real property, and another is personal property. So that is tangible. Now to discuss about the function of intangible property. So there are two different types of property. One is tangible. So under the tangible there are movable and immovable, that is real property and personal property. There are some examples of movable, that is car, and immovable, that is building, that is the real property. And now the another things or another difference of property, that is intangible, that is under the intellectual property. And under the intellectual property, there are different types of properties present: industrial property related, copyright related, patent, design, and trademark, and also GI related, and also GI related properties. These are the different type of intellectual example of intellectual property. So now we talk about the different types that includes or that cover the different IPRs, starting from the patent, copyright, trademark, industrial design, geographical indication, that is GI, traditional knowledge, and trade secret. So these are the different types of intellectual property rights, that is intangible in nature. And also we talk about the origin and nature of these different type of intellectual property or IPRs. So first, in 1623 by Act of Parliament in England, granted true and first inventor a period of 14 years of exclusive control over any invention he or she created. And also it includes the different aspects of any kind of invention or any kind of your thought that you can comments the or apply the any kind of IPRs. Okay, so now we talk about the different types of property. So there are two different types. One is tangible and another is intangible. So under intangible, there is IPR, and under the tangible property, there are two different types of property. One is real property and another is personal property. So real property is anything that is directly connection with land or permanently attached to the land, and also include homes, garage and buildings. So these are the examples of real property. And personal property, so it is movable, so you can move around, and also it includes or examples of personal properties, automobiles, furniture, jewelry items, etc. So now the kinds of property also we discuss about the types of property or types of intellectual property. There are variety of intellectual property such as patent, copyrights, trademark, trade secret, and geographical indications. So first we discuss about the patent. So patent basically are granted for the invention of any new and useful process, that is machine, manufacture or composition of matter, or any new useful improvements. And also it includes the different types of processing aspects. And also it grants the inventor or owner the right to exclude other from making, using or selling the thought or invention. So there are two different types of patent applications. One is United States patent application, and also the Indian patent. Okay, so there are two different types of patent you can apply for any kind of these two type of patent system. Now the copyright. So copyright basically protect original works of authorship fixed in a tangible medium or expression, and also it includes literacy, dramatic, musical composition, movies, paintings, pictures, and computer programs. So these are under copyright system. So you can apply for Copyright Act, that is 1957. So this is the logo for copyright system, and also it includes your invention, any kind of that is in the form of tangible medium. Now we discuss about the trademark. So trademark basically is a word or phrase or symbol or any kind of design or combination of words, phrases, symbols or designs which identifies and distinguishes the source of the goods or services of one party from the other. So there are a lot of different trademarks starting from Intel, Kellogg's, Puma, IKEA, Gillette, Disney, Avon. So these are the different types of trademark. And also you can apply a new trademark. You go to the office of the Controller General of Patent Design and Trademarks. That is under the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. So you can apply your specific or specified trademark, that is logo or phrase or symbol. So next we talk about the trade secret, that is under IPR system. And generally a trade secret is any formula or any manufacturing process method of business, technical know-how that gives its owner or inventor a competitive advantage for his or her invention. So there are different types of trade secret, that is basically the confidential information. Number one, formula, that is crucial ingredients of products, process, any kind of cooking process with unique flavors, methods, that is calculation or algorithms that improves decision operations, and also it includes the tools, that is proprietary design tools that improve quality and productivity, patterns, reusable solution that lead to multiple designs and processes, and also automation system that automate work to improve quality and efficiency, and also any kind of design, if you invent, that is product or service design. Okay, so these are under trade secret. So after trade secret, another IPR system, that is the design. So what is design? So design basically refers to the features of shape, configuration, pattern, composition of lines or colors applied to any article, whether in two or three dimensional forms or shape. And also it include any industrial processes separately or by combined process, also finished any article that appeal, and also any kind of design that composition of different lines or different colors, and also it include any artistic work that under the design IPR. So after design, there are another IPR, that is the GI, geographical indication, and there are different types of example of geographical indications, and there are Indian GI, geographical indication registry certificate. So say for example, Mysore silk. So it is example of GI product. So GI basically the geographical indication, or GI is a sign used on products that have a specific geographical origin or process qualities or a reputation that are due to that particular region. So this is the GI tag we use after the approved by the government of India or IPR office. Okay, so you use the GI tag. Next, the organizational structure of Ministry of Commerce and Industrial Department of Industry Policy and Promotion. There are different types of patent, design and trademark control office. Say for example, patent and for the case of IPR, like patent and design office, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and for the case of trademark registry, there are different location, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, and also we apply. If we apply for geographical indication registry, there are one single office that is located in the Chennai, and also we collect the different information from RGN double IPM. So this is the different office for collect any information about the IPS system. So now the validity of different IPRs, starting from the patent, that is maximum protection 20 years, and it can be renewed every year. Okay, and secondly, trademark, that is lifelong. After 10 years, you can renew. For the case of design, it is maximum protection 15 years, and after 10 years, for next 5 years, you renew. For the case of copyright, it maximum protection 60 years, renewal not required. And for geographical indication or GI, lifelong, after 10 years it renewed. So these are the validity period for different IPR system. And there are some picture for a particular product. There are different types of logo and also it includes the trademark, and their shape of the bottle is a industrial design. So there are few of examples in my last slide. There are different types of product. There are patent, trademark, also including the Kolhapuri chappal, that is indicated the geographical indication product. And there are Coca-Cola bottle, that is under also the IPR system. There are different types of IPR, that is patent, trade secret, and also industrial design and trademark. So thank you to all of you.